Proper sampling techniques and sample handling are crucial to obtain defensible data. This video provides instruction on collecting samples for trihalomethanes and haloacetic acids. Each analysis has specific bottles designed to meet the preservation and sample volume requirements for each test. Bottles containing a preservative should be handled with care. The sampler should wear gloves. If the preservative comes into contact with your clothing or skin, you should rinse immediately and thoroughly. Trihalomethanes should be collected in the amber glass vials containing sodium thiosulfate. Haloacetic acids should be collected in the amber glass bottle containing ammonium chloride. Before collecting the sample, remove the screen or strainer from the spigot. Allow the water to run freely for 5 minutes before collecting the sample. This flushes out the piping between the tap and the water main, thus ensuring that the sample is representative of the water in the main. Trihalomethanes are collected in the amber glass vials containing sodium thiosulfate. Do not rinse or empty the vials before sampling. Open the vials and slowly fill each container to the top, leaving no headspace. Be careful not to overflow the containers, as this removes some of the necessary preservative. Cap the vials tightly and invert the sample to check for air bubbles. If the air bubble is larger than a pea, the sample will not be accepted. We recommend that you submit 3 vials of sample. Haloacetic acids will be collected in the amber glass bottle containing ammonium chloride. Open the bottle and slowly fill it completely full. You do not need to worry if there is headspace for this sample. Again, be careful not to overflow the containers, as this removes some of the necessary preservative. Once your sampling is complete, document the time of sample collection and location on the chain of custody. The chain of custody is a legal document that relinquishes samples from the client to the laboratory. It is critical to complete all pertinent sample information. In addition to the chain of custody, public water systems may need to provide a sample submission report containing their PWS ID and sample monitoring point. Once you have completed the chain of custody, you are ready to ship your samples. The analyses for haloacetic acids and trihalomethanes require thermal preservation. Samples must be received at or below 6 degrees Celsius. Be sure to pack your samples with plenty of ice. It is helpful to double bag the ice to prevent leaking. The hold time for haloacetic acids and trihalomethanes is 14 days, but samples often need to be shipped overnight to arrive at the proper temperature. Use plenty of packing materials to protect glass bottles. To prevent breakage, place bubble wrap on the bottom of the cooler. It is also helpful to bubble wrap the individual glass bottles. Use extra packaging material to completely pack the cooler, thus eliminating space for the bottles to shift and move while in transit. Alloway supplies all sample bottles. Simply submit a bottle order through our website under the Sampling and Analysis tab, or call us at 800-436-1243 to request bottles. Following these instructions will help you avoid the hassle of resampling and will ensure that you collect a representative sample. Our staff at Alloway is always happy to answer any of your questions. We want to make the sampling process as simple as possible for you. Contact information for each of our facilities is available on our website at www.alloway.com.